So this is the next step. We've just got it all pretty much put in position. Evelyn's been giving it a bit of a clean. Looks very nice. Look at that. Very cool. So yeah, it's taken a couple of hours because we had to wait for a friend or a neighbour to come and help us out to get it out of the truck. It's heavy, 6 foot, but oh man, we're keen to put the fishies in, set it all up. So anyway, that's the next step. We'll move on to the next thing to do, eh, babe? Yeah. Okay. Hey everybody, so there's the next step. It's been a couple of days. We had to get the gravel stones, and Evelyn's been working pretty damn hard on it. We're almost ready to set it up, put the water in it. Puts the light on, maybe it comes up better. Maybe that's a little bit better. Yeah. Pretty good, eh? It's going to be awesome. We're going to do the water today, babe?
Yes.
Alright, so we're going to do the water today. And then we've got to leave it settle for a couple of days. The advice is leave it settle, sort of like chlorinate the water. God, I'm hopeless with English. But that's the old thing. We just decided we wanted to do this because we get a little bit more, how would you put it, more enjoyment out of them. We don't get to see them much out here, so we're going to put them inside and we get to see them a lot more. And so yeah, anyway, so stay tuned and I will come back when we have put them in. No, it'll be a couple of days, so anyway, take care. I'll speak to you soon. Okay. Now we're at the next stage and we're putting the water in. Got to let that settle for a couple of days. I'm going to crank the pump. Where's the pump? Is it in this one, babe? Yes. There's the pump. FX4 pump. We've cleaned it out. It's all nice and clean and brand new and ready to go. This actually won't take long to fill. That's almost, I would say, close to a quarter full already, and we've only been going for what, 3 minutes sort of thing. So that's pretty cool. Big difference to the one outside. We'll be back when we're putting the fish in, the koi's going in. So there she is. We've had a run for about 24 hours now. We've got to leave it go for another, at least 48 hours. Going to leave it going for at least 3 days to dechlorinate it. Make sure the water's all gone ripping through the system and stuff, through the filter. But she looks pretty good. That's gonna be awesome. So today is Thursday. We are going to start putting the fish in on Sunday. So that's been Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, about 5 days. Should be good enough, and then we'll start acclimating the koi slowly, 2 by 2. So watch this space. It's going to be awesome. We can't wait. I reckon Evelyn's done a wonderful job. It looks so good. Beautiful bright colours. Can't wait to get them in there and we can start checking them out. It's going to be sick. And we're going to look into getting some other different species of fish. Ones that go happy with the koi. So yeah, anyway. It's quiet. It's very quiet. We're very happy with this. Look at that. That's the FX4 filtration, and it's so far just wonderful. And I can't believe it. These here go for about $550 in Australia. We got this whole system, filter, all those ornaments in there, tank and cabinet for $1,000. So we're very happy, and that's a 6-footer. Anyway, so stay tuned. We are going to put a new video when the koi are happy and swimming around. Thanks again for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy.